Brothers, I just want to share a little about my Runcam hybrid version 2. There is something wrong. It cannot record, and then I tried to replace the cable and the problem solved. Thank you very much for my friend Resiari Wahyu Lajuardi give me a link to buy this item. Terima kasih untuk Lajuardi, Resiari bantuin saya untuk beli ini, nemuin ini. Soalnya susah saya nyarinya. Saya coba terbangin ya untuk melihat bahwa ini bisa direkod. Tadi saya udah coba, udah bisa ngerekod. Blinking, kalau bisa ngerekod tuh blinking di sininya gitu. Kita coba terbangin aja untuk ngetes doang di sini aja.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, and changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? I caught feelings, I caught feelings, how could these feelings? It won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got feelings, I got those feelings.